Turkish Delight, authentic Turkish kebab recipe. Subscribe and like for a taste of Turkey. Welcome to our channel, where we embark on a culinary journey to explore the vibrant flavors of Turkey. Today, we're going to share with you the secrets of making an authentic Turkish kebab. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's get started and dive into the aromatic world of Turkish cuisine. To create this delightful Turkish kebab, here are the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients: 500 grams of lamb or beef, cut into bite-sized cubes, 1 large onion, finely grated, 4 cloves of garlic, minced 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, salt and pepper. To taste, skewers, metal or wooden, soaked in water. Now, let's embark on our Turkish culinary journey. Step 1. In a large bowl, combine the grated onion, minced garlic, olive oil, tomato paste, plain yogurt, ground cumin, paprika, dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Mix everything together to create a flavorful marinade. Step 2. Add the cubed meat to the marinade and ensure each piece is well coated. Cover the bowl and let the meat marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow the flavors to penetrate the meat. Step 3. Once the meat has marinated, it's time to thread the cubes onto skewers. Make sure to leave some space between the pieces to ensure even cooking. Step 4. Preheat your grill or grill pan to medium-high heat. Place the skewers on the grill and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, turning occasionally, until the meat is nicely browned and cooked to your desired level of doneness. Step 5. Once the kebabs are cooked to perfection, carefully remove them from the grill and transfer them to a serving plate. And there you have it, mouth-watering Turkish kebabs. The tender, juicy meat, infused with aromatic spices, and the smoky char from the grill create an irresistible combination. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. Step 6. To serve the Turkish kebabs, you can garnish them with fresh parsley, lemon wedges, and thinly sliced onions. Additionally, you can serve them with warm pita bread, a refreshing salad, and some creamy yogurt sauce on the side for a complete Turkish dining experience. Step 7. Arrange the delicious Turkish kebabs on a platter, adding the garnishes and accompaniments. The vibrant colors and enticing aromas will surely impress your family and friends. And there you have it, a mouth-watering Turkish kebab that transports you to the streets of Turkey. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey to Turkey. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this authentic Turkish kebab. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more delectable recipes from around the world. Until next time, afiyet olsun and happy cooking.